So this song is about the richness and beauty of traditional Khasi and musical instruments and how they are used in everyday life, festivals and cultural expressions. It mentions different instruments like the duitara, drums such as the ksing and the nakra, flutes like tangri or bisli, and cymbals like the shao shao, showing how each one contributes to the rhythm and melody of Khasi music. These instruments are not just for entertainment, but they are deeply connected to our traditions, ceremonies, and community gatherings. The song highlighted how they come together to create harmony, energy, and identity, reflecting the culture and heritage of the Khasi people. Overall, it expresses pride in these instruments and emphasizes their importance in keeping Khasi music and our traditions alive. I hope you enjoy it.
Shnong